Oh. Ow.
They can't have it off for too long because the fridge will go off.
Oh, I never knew that. Oh, Madonna, it's true. Wow, thanks the Lord we have the chicken. Ay, Fred Pinel, he goes for a canoe and left the dog in the beach. They say, boss, you wanna come? You think they're not gonna go swimming? Why they don't take the dog with him in the canoe? Heavens. Oh. They're awake. Oh, I had to have more Zoomer, mate. We'll have to have a Zoomer 20. Man in a canoe. Canoeing. Canoe. You're funny. These two, what they do is going around in the canoe. I'm a canoe man going around because I'm afraid my dog gonna leave me. Yeah, me. They're gonna catch the doggy. I don't know where the doggy go. Doggy doos. Yeah. Oh, he went to the gummy. It's a gummy boy. Gummy man. It's a canoe man. Sarabida. Sarabida can. Borita bum. Where are you, mama? Peco. Estás pecado. They give the half loops. You think? No, you do half loops. Half loop. Esa jalupa. Jalupa. Hija de Guadalupe. Y Aldo. It's going around in the boat. There's having fun. I want to see the whole house today. Today be on work to the bridge or nothing. I'm here all day, Madonna. I have good views. Fucking, I love this side. I'm a lazy man. I'm a good man. Who? He goes voltereta. Voltereta. Oh, the full loop. He goes full loop. You wanna do full loop? You think he wanna do a full loop? Full loop, full loop, full loop, full loop. Fruity loops. He's inside out. Fruity loop. Oh, half loop, half loop. He's underneath full loop. Oh, he enjoy Fruit Loops. Ah, he gonna went to the boat. Fruit Loops. Ah. Oh, Madonna. I love it so much. Oh, where was that? Oh, he's doing like that. And the dog is still there. Nice. Oh, Madonna. Oh, the cocoa bean. It smells nice, babes. The way you give me yesterday, babes. The-
Oh, the cocoa butter.
oh, it looks nice. Oh, it smells delicious. Madonna. It reminds me when I was a child. Yeah. Yes, it reminds me of that. Yo, can smell it. I have a shower and everything. Madonna. It was too hot shower, babes. Oh. Coco. Madonna. He must be a professional. This dude. Going around in the boat. Yo. Coco money. ¿Dónde está la yaca? Oh, kayak. It's a kayak. It's a checky kayak. Freaking hell. Ah, he's over there having fun. Charmin. Charmin Kabak. Kabak. He's over there. Ah. We're gonna see the coast. No workers today. Oh, some workers, always some dudes working. Walking to the beaches. Oh, hello, BT. Okay, babes. Ah, it's so great. Ah. Wee woo waboo woo waboo waboo. This tranquility. If I was a millionaire, I would live here for a year or two. Yo, if you were a millionaire, you will live here for a year. Yes, a year or two. Madonna. I say over here, freaking, and then I buy the thing, and then I say to the dudes, okay, I sell it back to you for £1. You will do that? Yeah, and a loss. Pay consul tax, one notes, and give it back for free. Freaking, I give it to, or you can give it to a priest, and the priest will sell it. What about give it to a priest? Yes, give it to a priest. To the Church of England, to the family home, or they can rent it, do whatever the hell wants. Buy something, give it to the priest, they can sell it at one notes. Through Christian dudes. Oh, well, they have to pay taxes and whatnots. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, heavens. Wow. Oh, today the water is calm, mate. Calm waters. The water is calm. Still calm waters. Ah, it's only doing Fruit Loops. Ah. Aye. Electricity come, babes.
Not yet.
Oh. So everybody electricity went off. Oh, how you doing? You are great peoples. I love you. I love you, Mr. Hens. You're so great, so amazing. I love you. So great, so great. Mimi.